Torque release technique addresses headaches and migraines by first adjusting the neck. Many headaches, migraines originate from the neck, with aggravation and dysfunction in the neck coming from stress and posture. Torque release stimulates the nerves with an instrument that requires no twisting, cracking, or popping. The adjustment is gentle but specific and designed to stimulate the nerves, calm down, and reduce inflammation. Once the nerves are calmed down and return to normal function, pain and inflammation decrease substantially and oftentimes resolve completely, both in headaches and migraines.